You ever wonder how much it would cost Will to buy the best version of everything that Apple sells? Okay. So first,
have to ask
hang on. Let me set
Detroit
it up.
Okay.
You would get a phone, obviously. You would get some headphones, obviously. You would get a computer. You would get a display for that computer. You would get a laptop. You would get an iPad. The best of all of those things.
Yeah.
You would get the best accessories that Apple sells, first party.
Uh-huh.
How much would that cost you?
Well, the Mac Pro is like, what is it, like 50 grand in of itself? I would say
USD.
120 grand.
USD.
Yeah.
It's about $80,000.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
They did the math. What a crazy experiment this is. This was first reported by CNN. They had an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Comes in with Apple Care Plus insurance. And a MagSafe silicone case. And a MagSafe charger. That'll set you back $1,700. They actually had the Mac Pro only at $6,000. But that's to start. You can spec it up to $62,000.
Oh. Yeah, that's where the price is.
USD,
like,
man. 28 core Intel Xeon, 1.5 terabyte of memory, 8 terabyte storage, and a 32-inch Pro Display XDR. That's 62 Gs. So that one's a bit of a cheater because even if you're an Apple super fan, I mean, you're not really getting that. But you can easily get a MacBook Pro up to around $3,000. And I mean, they have a lot of accessories too for the MacBooks, leather sleeves. You can get a Magic Mouse or a trackpad or an external keyboard. They also had a high-end Apple Watch in there, all the way up to $1,648. The iPad Pro with 1 terabyte of memory and an Apple Pencil and a keyboard case, $2,583. So yeah, you can get some pretty hefty sticker prices if you're a true Apple fan. Throw in it the new headphones.
Oh, right.
They got this total at $80,000 for the year, and then you got to replace it all the following year. Well, because you're a true Apple fan, you got to set it straight.
That's what I was thinking. Detroit Borg buys all this stuff. I'm just like, wow. You got to recycle it every year. Mm-hmm. That's intense.
Yeah, they had the HomePod in there. They had 2 terabytes of iCloud storage. They had Apple Fitness in there. Mm-hmm. It's costing you $80,000 a year USD to be the optimal, ultimate Apple fan. You know what's crazy? Somebody has done this.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Somebody has done this. There's enough people on the planet. Somebody has done this.
You got to collect them all.
Funny enough, I've probably done it, but it's just for videos.
Yeah.
Never recommend anybody be that crazy. But you know, it's crazy you can justify it. You make a video, people wonder. People ask that question all the time. They're like, what are you doing with all this stuff? Well, you make a video and it pays off whatever the cost of the goods is. Mm-hmm. Like, it's not.
And you use it.
No, and you use it, and you need to have them around over the course of the year. You need to have that stuff around because everybody wants comparisons and all the rest of it. And in some cases, you give it away. Actually, 100 iPhone giveaways happening really soon. I'm putting a placeholder up. We're going to do it live, me and Will, on Unbox Therapy. So very, very soon. Stick around for that. We're legit going to be writing people's names and gathering shipping details for 100 people to give away 100 iPhones. Wild.
Heavy.